Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 5, The World of Work, Lesson 5. Please open your class book to page 44. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 5, The World of Work, Lesson 5, Classbook pages 44 and 45, Activities 1 and 2. The aims. In this lesson, students will match emails to pictures, ask and answer WH questions. Let's go to page 44 of your class book. Yes, activity 1, read and match. Maha is doing a project about jobs. She has asked friends in the IKC to write to her to tell her about the jobs that members of their families do. Read what they wrote in the emails and match them to the pictures. We are asked to read the 4 emails and to match them to the pictures. So we have 4 pictures and 4 emails. A, B, and here on page 45 we have C and D. These are 4 pictures. And also we have 4 emails. This is number 3, number 4, and here we have 1 and 2. Let's read and match the emails to the pictures. Okay. 1. To maha@ikc.com. From suzy@ikc.com. Subject: my sister's job. Dear Maha, this is my sister Paula. She's a fitness instructor. She works in a gym with lots of other people. She works from 4 o'clock in the afternoon until 10 o'clock at night. Paula teaches people to do exercises in time to music. This is called aerobics. She usually teaches classes of 20 to 30 students. Paula likes her job because she loves keeping fit and helping others to keep fit too. I want to go to Paula's classes, but she says I am too young. By Suzy. So which picture? Yes, 1 is picture B. The second email to maha@ikc.com. From david@ikc.com. Subject: my cousin's job. Dear Maha, my cousin James is an artist. He works in an office with 3 other artists. He starts work at 8:45 and usually finishes at 5:15. In his job, James draws cartoons for films. He has to read the story and draw pictures to show what is happening. First, James draws some ideas for pictures on paper and then he draws his final pictures on a computer. He loves his job because he likes drawing and using the computer. In the summer, James has promised to show me how to draw cartoons on the computer. Hope this helps you with your project, David. Yes, which picture? Oh, yes, this picture. D is number 2. Okay. This is the third email to maha@ikc.com. From maria@ikc.com. Subject: my aunt's job. Dear Maha, this is my aunt Kate. She's an astronaut. Last year she flew in the space shuttle and did some experiments in space. When she went out of the shuttle into space, she wore a special space suit. The spacesuit has oxygen so that astronauts can breathe because there is no air in space. When she's on Earth, she usually works in a science laboratory doing experiments about traveling in space. Her job is very exciting and very dangerous. She loves her job because she loves exploring space. When she was in space, she took some photographs of Earth for me. They're fantastic. Right again, son, Maria. So, picture C is email 3. To Maha at ikc.com. From Toshi at ikc.com. Subject, my dad's job. Dear Maha, my dad is a pilot. He flies all over the world. He usually only works for 4 days and then he has 3 days free. He uses the aeroplane computers a lot in his job. They tell him if the aeroplane is safe before he starts a flight and then tell him if there are any problems while he is flying the aeroplane. They also tell him how high and how fast he is flying. He likes his job because he likes flying aeroplanes and he likes traveling. I like flying too. I want to be a pilot like my dad, Toshi. Picture A is email 4. Yeah, let's look at activity 2. We have here some questions. What does Toshi's dad do? He's a pilot, and you can ask again using what's his job? Where does Paula work? She works in a gym. Okay, here also we have what time does James start work? At 8:45. What time does James finish work? At 5:15. Does Kate like her job? Yes, she does. Why? Because she loves exploring space. Let's listen to these questions and answers.
Tape script 5.7. 1.
What does Toshi's dad do?
He's a pilot.
2.
Where does Paula work?
She works in a gym.
3.
What time does James start work?
At 8:45.
What time does James finish work?
At 5:15.
4.
Does Kate like her job?
Yes, she does.
Why?
Because she likes exploring space.
Thank you. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.